Alright guys, I'm just going to shoot out a real quick video on how much oil to use on your clock. We get a lot of questions all the time about how much oil to use. I see it a lot asked on Reddit and everything and there's some folks will sit there and say, you know, hey, use a little tiny bit, but I haven't seen anybody really demonstrate. So we're going to demonstrate what a little tiny bit is in our opinion. And again, how much do you use? Short answer is a tiny little bit. The saying that we always have is, if you think you've put on enough, you've probably put on too much. So, alright, on these, let's see. Alright, so on our oil that we sell, we are going to just wipe down the needle, and you're going to squeeze, I am barely even squeezing this. And you can see the oil starting to come out, okay? That right there is probably too much. And so the longer you sit there, the more it's going to come out. So if you see just a tiny little drop right there, and then we're going to touch it. And that's it. That's all you need. You don't need to sit there and slop on a bunch. You know, you don't need to try to get a bunch to penetrate down inside there. A little tiny bit. I'm going to do it again. You only do it once, but this movement hasn't been rebuilt yet, so we'll just play with it. But again, a tiny little bit. See it coming out, and then we're going to touch it to the bushing and pivot, and that's it. It's finished. You don't have to do any more. Just leave it at that. Move on to all the other ones. Do the ones in the back and all the proper places, and then you're good to go. Hope this explains some stuff to you. We'll put out little videos like this all the time just to kind of help folks understand little things. But anyways, thank you so much for watching.